Hello, Internet family. Welcome back to Coffee with Kalandra. I am the boss lady, aka Kalandra Topodoya. I think it was supposed to be the other way around. Anyway, Coffee with Kalandra. How are you out there in those COVID-19 streets? Hope you are keeping safe and your family as well and all as well. Well, I'm coming back to you today to talk a little bit about what I do and give you some information basically. I hope hopefully this would be a great educational tool for you to take and understand because life insurance can be very confusing. Fish fries, country cooks, and GoFundMe pages to bury our loved ones, and do more than that, go the extra step of leaving a legacy for the folks behind us instead of leaving debt and burden. So, one of the big issues and questions about life insurance is okay, how many different types of life insurance are there? And ultimately, there are only two. Two. There is cash value insurance, which can be called whole life, universal life, variable life. It's all cash value. Or there's term insurance, which offers the purest protection and income replacement, and usually at a far cheaper rate. So I want it to be more than just me telling you. I want to show you what that looks like and what that means. One, on our site to give you some information. And as you know, I'm a life insurance agent licensed in Georgia, Virginia, Texas, Indiana, and Michigan, and wherever else you are to help you and your family out. So I want to show you on our website through our QuickBooks system what a policy would look like in comparison to one of our big competitors out there, which is State Farm. And all term insurance isn't created the same. But I want to give you that comparison so you can see and you can look for yourself, do the research for yourself. So what I'm going to do here is share my screen and show you what we have here. And this is some information that our wonderful agents in our home office created for you to get a better understanding about the difference between cash value and term insurance. And I can put a PDF of this in the description box. Hopefully I can attach a link. I am not internet savvy, so we are all learning and growing at the same time here. This is $150,000 worth of coverage because this is a single man, no dependents. He does have a home and some debts that he wants to make sure his family does not get left holding the bag with if something were to happen to him. And we're really looking at adding value and getting money aside in a savings vehicle, an investment vehicle for him. So just wanted a small policy in place to cover any debts, but start to get some money accumulated to grow his assets. Okay. So just a small policy, $150,000 of coverage. We're going to go right to State Farm, let them do their thing. Okay, we got it. So now, like I said, not all term, there's a lot of our competitors who are also doing term, but not all term is equal or created equal, because that State Farm agent isn't going to then help you turn around and invest the difference here necessarily. So even on their site, for a gentleman of the demographics that I listed before, they are saying for a 20-year policy, he will be in his 50s. He still has a ways to go. So let's click that on over to 30. For 30 years, so 66 or so, closer to retirement, people are working longer. But for a 30-year level term, it is $304 annually, or 27 roughly dollars a month, 26.45 a month. Now, with their whole life policy, $150, that young man, 33 years old and very good health, would pay $166.35 for $150,000 worth of coverage, or $150,000 worth of coverage. he would be paying almost $2,000 a year for. So a lot of people coverage is much lower. I've seen coverages as low as $10,000, $25,000, $50,000. That's not a whole lot of money if there was a family involved and needed that income to continue. So because, and that happens, the death amount is so low because the price to have what you really need to protect your family is way too high with a whole life policy here. I want to take you over to our quick quotes in Primerica. Same demographics, young man, 80s, born in 87. This is a quote I was able to work up for him. Our term now, abandoned policy with a 35-year level term, um, putting $50 a month in toward his investments. This will go into a savings account, and then one of our securities license reps will go back with him and sit down and see what his goals and plans are, and they will do that piece with him. So I did the life insurance piece, set aside the money into an investment, into a kind of a holding account to get him in the habit of saving. Then a licensed security license agent will come and sit down with him to decide the investment vehicle that is best for him. So, but starting with that $50 a month, and he can add more of it in as his income goes up, or he feels like he's more comfortable doing that. So with that program in place for him, because we don't just do policies, we put a program in place to get families financially independent. That's the goal, so that you don't have to have insurance your whole life. So that $81 a month, $50 to eventually go into investment a month, and his $150,000 that of death benefit, we were able to put a program together for him for less than $100. Less than $100. It's not brain science, folks. It really isn't brain science. That's what we can offer. That's what we have to bring to the table. And really, that's the difference between cash value or trash value and term insurance. Well, that is my time. You have a wonderful and great and awesome day. Hopefully these will get better and better as I get more comfortable doing them. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section. I am available through the week. I have business webinars on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so you can learn more about how we help families protect their income, become debt free and financially independent, and earn additional income. And hope you just have a wonderful, safe day. All right, like, comment, and share. All righty, guys, have a wonderful day.